What's up, yo? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bernal Villalon. We are here today in Pensacola Fishing Pier. I'm not sure if you hear me. The windy a little bit, but the water is not bad. It's kind of rough water, but maybe get some Spanish today, so I'll try to catch a Spanish. We're catching some little fish this morning, yeah. Morning, Uncle Bob.
Hi.
Catching a lady fish?
Lady fish only, mackerel.
No Spanish? Morning.
Morning.
Look at that.
Only lady fish.
That's good.
No good. How much Spanish?
No good. What? China hook.
China hook. You right.
No, I don't want a lady fish. Ooh. Oh, that's Spanish. Oh, that's a good size, Larry. Heck yeah. There's so many so many Spanish down there. Good size Spanish. Fish on y'all. Fish.
Spaniard in the cooler.
Spaniard cooler.
Probably out.
Me?
That's okay. Do all you need to do out there, buddy.
You're good, man.
Oh no, no, I ain't gonna mess
Small
you up.
rod, so I'm not trying to.
No, you're good. You're good. Enjoy it.
Oh, yeah. I like that sound.
Oh yeah.
This way it's all good.
You're probably gonna rope me when I get up here.
I hope so not. He landed that fish.
Just bring the pod back to us.
I'm letting him do his thing, man. I want him to go way out there. I want him to go way out there. He's probably gonna rope me when I get him up here.
I think you hooked up and I hooked up and mine was all straight out and then it's all over here.
I don't see it. Probably in the bottom. I stick with the Spanish. When I throw my lure, got wind knots, I can reel it.
Oh yeah, Charlie, there you go.
They throw the ladyfish school.
It's fucking gay. Oh, that's what we call great bullies. Got one too. Baby tarpon. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're burning some Spanish down there, yeah. So many Spanish down there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, man. My Lord, mess up. Get him, Charlie. Come on, come on. Oh, oh, what the? Come on. What? There he is. Oh! Oh, no, no. You're good, you're good. Oh, I thought we lost my lure. So many there.
Yeah, no, small. Small. Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Let's see.
Yeah, you never know. Some low, some good one, some small. But they come in, but they don't get a hook. You show up, but you don't get a hook.
There he is.
Oh. Don't get the hook, you know.
There he is, Charlie.
Don't get the hook.
That's why you see a lot of that.
Oh, that's a good one, Charlie.
But you don't get the hook. They get tired.
Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a good one. What's going on?
Oh, man.
What happened, my...
What's happening? Oh, no.
What happened, my look? That what happened if you have...
Hook no good, something like that. Let me see.
What happened is... What's happening is lower.
Then out of hook.
Look at that.
Okay.
Here. Oh. Ah. Oh my God, so much happening here. So much happening here. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Finally.
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 By the time you catch fish, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie.
This time you do about too many times.
Nice, Charlie.
So many times tonight, yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, swing. That's a big one.
Don't get the hook, you know.
Turtle. Turtle.
Big one to buy, but don't get the hook.
Woods. Here he is. Oh. Spanish. Spanish and ladyfish. Oh my God. Charlie, I got for you.
Oh, man, no.
Oh, perfect. Ooh. Lady.
Oh, man, no.
Ladyfish in the cobia jig. Oh, Joe got king? I'll let it go, this one. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Huh?
What you got it?
Shark.
Short? No. Oh, that got short. Oh, man, yeah. Oh, no good.
What happened?
Look a while. The wire was broken.
The lures mess up. Come on, eat it. Oh, he got it up. No. Got me off. Coming down. He coming back. Get him!
Get up! Get up!
Get him! You wanna come down there? Come on. Nice.
Go! Go! Back this way, back this way, back this way.
Come back.
Coming towards the bridge, coming towards the bridge.
Side.
Going to the pilot now, he's going to the pilot now.
got it. Good. Oh, that's a giant. Go down, go down.
What's up, what's up? Sorry, man. Oh, you gotta watch your hair. You gotta watch how you throw it. You got go to meet him, go to meet him. Yeah, go down. Go to meet him. Stay right with him.
The run for Paula? Oh no, it's not. Come on, get him. Pull hard.
Harder.
Oh, come on, you got it. You got it. Hey! Heck yeah! There you go. Oh!
Damn, you gotta go away. You gotta wait.
Dang it!
Oh, man.
Look at that!
Damn.
Get it, sir. Ah! Love it.
Good.
That's bluefin. Oh! Blue.
Blue. Yo, I have.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. That's blue.
Come on. Blue. Yeah. You keep them?
Probably a couple. I don't know. I'm just thinking.
I got his eyeball. Are you bleeding him on? Before you put him in there? Bleed him out. Come on. Bleed him out. Come on. Oh. Let him live it.
Get him!
Oh, they're on me. They're on me. Oh, they're on me.
Huh? I don't see it.
Right there. Bro, me put them down. They don't want no more. No, I go too.
that's a Spanish. Oh, this is bluefish. Blue.
Blue, 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 blue. Blue. Blue right there. Blue, 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 blue.
Blue, 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 blue.
I want to get it, boy.
Oh my God, it's everywhere. Everywhere.
Oh, baby, big guy.
Everywhere.
Big guy. Come on.
Oh my God.
Got bad. No more blue?
No more blue.
Blue.
Charlie, is that your lure? Charlie, is that your lure?
Yeah, lure.
Right there, in the ground.
Leave it real now. Leave it real. What do you look like? What do you look like? Leave it real. Leave it real. Leave it real.
Go down, go down.
Hurry up. Hurry up. No. Leave it back. Leave it back. Yeah, man. Not that no good.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go to school? Dang it. Huh?
Tackle bell no good. Go all the way down there.
No, I think the fish hook up and get away for the school.
They don't like
jack. What's up, Kai?
Maybe later. You gonna be here all day?
Huh?
You gonna be here all day?
No, I'll leave like after lunch. I'm not staying all day.
I don't like to stand you.
I have what do you call that one? I have my daughter first she going first communion today.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. Go back.
Yes, sir. Oh no.
Huh?
Got Jack.
Jack again?
Jack down there. No. My lord, didn't enough. Swing towards me here, sir. Thank you. That's Spanish. Oh yeah, heck yeah. Oh, fishing over there.